why Rasul Karim sallallahu alaihi wasallam married more than once?
This is mentioned in the Holy Quran, and even those who raise objections against more than 4 wives, some among them are conscious of the fact that it was essential to mix the Arab society into one unity by marrying into different tribes of Arab. So this was special to Hazrat sallallahu alaihi wasallam. He married into all the various tribes of the Arabs, and it was a custom of the Arabs that if your daughter is married to someone, then you can't rebel against him. So that was the wisdom of this verse, which permits Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam to marry more than 4 wives.